Where is the concert hall?
Joe!
Ah, hello, Grace.
Hello, Joe.
Wait.
Michael!
Hello, I'm Joe.
Hi, I'm Carl. This is Grace.
Hello, Grace.
Hi, Joe.
Will you help me with my deliveries? Great, let's go.
Lock.
Oh, look at you, Joe. What's it doing? Really? With a little key.
Can't open the door.
The door won't open.
Yeah.
We need a
Key.
Hey! Oh, I remember. Wait here.
That's funny. He got a key.